Hey, it's Spence from WP Launchify. Today I've got a new plugin releasing called Kadence Focus. This solves a very specific problem, very similar to the Fluent Community Customizer. That is to say, when you're running either a community or running a membership site when you have LearnDash content. In my experience, the LearnDash focus mode is the best way to deliver it because it just saves you all of the agony of all this formatting. Plus, it's very efficient. The downside is, of course, you end up with something that doesn't have any of your normal branding or your normal menus. Enter the solution. Let's go into the dashboard and see this in action. Very similar to what I did for the Fluent Community Customizer. This is a specialty plugin that you'll find here. It's Kadence Focus. And the interface works the same way. You have, instead of always having this on, you can optionally turn it on, and it works only on focus mode. Let's get rid of everything and show you the before, which, by the way, this could happen if you just simply don't use the plugin. Okay, so when we refresh the page, this is what the focus mode normally looks like, which is quite nice. And you could put the logo of yours on the left side and some other things, but it's just not the same as your normal website. More importantly, when you're trying to have people traverse between your community stuff and your groups and your spaces and your this and your that, you need the unified look. So all we need to do is, number one, let's adjust the Kadence header. This works, by the way, with almost all themes, but Kadence in particular has a couple little extra gimmicks because that's what I focus on, using Kadence. Simply say, either I'm going to put in the default header, or I can put in a custom element, which I'll show again like I did in the Fluent community. I can make custom elements, custom banners, custom sales stuff. Anything I want can go above the focus mode stuff. You can also use CSS, so you don't have to do it elsewhere. When I save that, then like magic, whatever I've got for my default header works out. And so, for example, if somebody's bopping between the checkout or their My Account, there's a consistency here that allows them to feel they're in one spot. Very simple, very elegant, included with the rest of your Minute Launch software bundle, or you can get this a la carte. Look forward to seeing and showing you more later today.